Hello, it's How To Not To. Today I'm going to show you how to clear the bath drain fast using Mr. Muscle drain gel. If your bath is draining really slowly or water is just sitting there, as you can see there, it's not draining as quick as it should, the chances are you've got a clogged drain, and this could be caused by hair, grease or soap. And this Mr. Muscle is designed to cut through all that. It's quick, powerful and safe for all your pipes. So let's begin. So before we start, I'm going to wear protective gloves. So when opening the bottle, just be very careful. Don't squeeze it. Open it gently. And I'm going to pour 500 ml as stated in the instructions. And I'm going to pour that straight down the plug hole. So there it goes in. And I'm going to let that sit for, you can leave it to sit for 5 minutes, but I'm going to leave it a bit longer because I've got tougher, if you've got tougher clogs, then leave it longer. Up to 15 minutes. I'm going to leave mine for half an hour, 30 minutes. So hopefully that will cut through heavy clogs. I'm now going to boil a kettle of hot water, and I'm going to pour that down the plug hole. And as you can see there, a bit of debris is coming out of the plug hole, so it looks like it's working. And you should see the water now draining more smoothly. If not, then repeat the process. So what I'm going to do now is, it's better than it was before. The water is draining more quickly. However, it's still not draining as it should, as it was before. So I'm going to add another 500 ml straight down the plug hole, and I'm going to wait another 30 minutes. And I'm going to pour straight down the pipe hole, hot water, and hopefully that should do the job. On the water, and it does run much quicker, much smoothly. However, if this hasn't worked, then you might have to unscrew the plug, this bit here. And they do have brushes that you can, drain pipe brushes, that you can push down the pipes and pull out any hair. I think I've done a video on it, I don't know, but if you look at my channel, I think I've done a video on that. They do sell these pipe drain brushes on Amazon, quite affordable as well. So if you still see water standing, then you might need to either do that, what I've suggested, buy a pipe brush, or seek professional help. So yeah, hopefully the Mr. Muscle drain gel has done the trick, and you shouldn't need to do anything further. If this video has been useful, then please give it a like and leave any comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.